Thank you, Steve. Thank you, everyone, for being here now, today, to stand in solidarity with people who are up against it. If we allow cowardly attacks to take place against an Islamic centre, then all we're doing is walking by on the other side while the far right maybe start to try and make advances. We're here in solidarity and in unity to say an attack on any centre, on any faith, on any minority, on any individual is an attack on all of us. We're here together. The racists are not going to divide us. The racists are not going to win. The racists are not going to be allowed to scapegoat the Muslims, the Jews, the black community, the Irish, or any other minority within our society. Unity gives us strength, strength gives us numbers, numbers gives us influence and gives us power. It gives us the power to create a society where want is banished, where houses are built, where hospitals are available, where resources are shared. It gives a society where everyone can achieve and respect each other. All that the far right offer is an attack on minorities, an attack on faith. Everyone somewhere along the line becomes a victim. All the victims together are far bigger, far more powerful than any of them. That's why all of us here today, from all different political views, different faiths and none, different organisations and none, are showing from our communities, and my constituency is but a short bike ride away, are together today outside this building in Muswell Hill, and if such an event should take place anywhere else, we will be there just the same, in support, in solidarity. Stand together as a community, stand together against racism, stand together for our decent society. Thank you very much.